Need cash in a pinch? Here's your guide to getting a cash advance with your Metrobank credit card. A cash advance allows you to withdraw cash against your credit limit instantly. It's a convenient way to access funds, but it's crucial to understand the associated costs. There are a few primary ways to get a cash advance. The most common is through an ATM. Simply insert your Metrobank credit card into any BankNet-affiliated ATM, select Cash Advance, enter your desired amount, and confirm. You'll need to enter your credit card's PIN. Make sure you remember this. It's different from your ATM debit card PIN. Now, let's talk about the fees. Metrobank typically charges a cash advance fee, usually a percentage of the amount you withdraw, or a fixed minimum amount. Whichever is higher, always check your cardholder agreement for the exact percentage. Just as important are the interest rates. Cash advance interest rates are usually higher than your regular purchase interest rates, and interest starts accruing immediately from the withdrawal date. There's no grace period for cash advances. Another method is through a Metrobank branch. You can visit any Metrobank branch and request a cash advance with a valid ID and your credit card. This might be an option if you need a larger amount or prefer direct assistance. Understanding these costs, why euro the upfront fee and the daily interest euro is vital to managing your finances and avoiding unexpected charges on your statement. So, while a cash advance offers immediate liquidity, know the fees and interest rates to make an informed decision.